Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll walk through the essential steps to address warranty issues with the Huawei GT3 smartwatch. First, ensure you have the right tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by removing the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful with the screws, keep them organized to avoid losing any. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry the back cover off using the plastic spudger. This step is crucial, as applying too much force can damage the device. Now, let's take a look at the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate inside the smartwatch, affecting its performance. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring that you do not disturb any connections or components. If you notice any corrosion or damage, make a note of it, as this can impact your warranty claim. If you're not comfortable performing these steps yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can get expert advice on the state of your device without any commitments. Next, check the battery connections. A loose battery can often be the culprit behind performance issues. Ensure they are secure and properly connected. If you find any issues, document them, as this documentation will be helpful for warranty claims. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover onto the smartwatch and reinsert the screws. Make sure everything is tightly secured, but avoid over-tightening, as this can lead to further damage. If you find that your Huawei GT3 is still not functioning properly after these steps, or if you simply prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service eliminates the hassle of traveling and waiting in line at repair shops. Just schedule a pickup, and we'll take care of the rest. Before any repair work is done, you'll receive a quote so you know exactly what to expect. No surprises, just straightforward service. This is part of our commitment to ensuring customer satisfaction and transparency. In summary, addressing warranty issues with your Huawei GT3 can be straightforward with the right tools and procedures. Remember to keep your device clean and check connections regularly to maintain optimal performance. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to take advantage of our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.